Hi, I'm gonna show to you another type of automation called Zapier. This application could also be very helpful for your businesses or tasks online. And it absolutely has the same function with IFTT. So since I just logged in with my Zap, I can directly go with Zap. But um, if you want to try this one and wanted to and of course, you're going to sign up either Facebook or email. And then once you're in the dashboard, you can directly go to Zap button and then click on making a new Zap. Okay, so it's now on the process. So you will be directed in choosing an app and event. So I'm just going to choose a spreadsheet, new or updated. So for instance, I wanted to get notified whenever there are updates on my spreadsheet. So that's why I'm choosing a spreadsheet app. And then after that, you will be asked to link with your email. If your first time, you just link it with your email. So since I have I since this account is being linked with my email, so automatically I it it is uh, it has an access on my account. So these are the spreadsheets contained on my email account. So you're just going to choose between among the following spreadsheets available. So I'm gonna choose real estate Florida, for example, and then click on that. So it shows here that you will get notified any column of the spreadsheet. Okay. Okay, we're going to click on test trigger and continue. So, so now this is how um, it works. And by linking it to back to your email, so this is how you will get notified by um, providing the email. And then if you are new to the site, you will be asked to link again with your email. So you just have to make sure that it is connected to your emails so that they can have an access to your, for example, to the spreadsheet, to the document that you wanted to link. Okay, so it automatically um, linked to my account. So now it's in the process of customizing an email. You just have to make sure that you're going to type in here. I'm gonna try it myself, my own account. Okay, click on continue. Okay, so we're going to test and continue. Okay, so now that, as you can see, a test was sent to email pops out here. It means that it it's being generated successfully. So I can now turn on Zap. Okay, so we'll check on my email if I got notifications already. Okay, so this is the Zapier automation. This is a message from Zapier automation that I have just processed. So this is actually how um, after you received a message, you can now try to make some updates on the on your spreadsheet that you processed on Zapier. So I'm now going to try making some update if I can get notifications automatically. Okay, so this is the spreadsheet. Okay, so I'm gonna try um, checking on my email if I got notifications already. Okay, so if you're not received immediately the a notification of of an update, you just have to wait for it because it may take few minutes. So, but if you have received a notification that like like just what I did a while ago, so that means you will get rest assured that you will get a notifications then. So that's actually how Zapier's automation work, and you can actually explore the other way around on how to automate using using the other application. So that's it.